Rhydian? It is! It's Rhydian! Rhydian?
He's brought friends.
They're not friends.
So what do we do?
Run!
Wait for me!
Rhydian? Okay, I'm on it. Tom, help!
I know Tom and Shannon didn't have a choice, but it's embarrassing. The den's private.
There's not much scent. These wild Wolfbloods didn't stay long.
They hate the human world. I didn't think they'd follow me this far.
Who were they?
Aaron and Maine here, they're just beta wolves. Henchmen. And Ulrich.
And who's Ulrich? You're being chased by the pack leader. What happened?
I broke the rules.
What rules? Alphas don't just leave the pack.
And he chased you all the way here.
How did you make him that angry? Not unless you did something unforgivable.
He hated me, okay? Because I was new. Because I didn't obey stupid laws. Because I was different. In fact, he hated me for the same reasons that you hate me.
We shouldn't be here.
All this risk for a defiant cub? You've made your point, Alric. Isn't it time?
Came for him. And we don't leave without him. Are you challenging your leader?
What's up, Ulrich? Scared of a few kids? Oh no, electricity, lights, walls.
Get him! can't protect you.
Whatever Rhydian's done, it's over. You don't belong here.
Tell that to him. He encouraged my pack to contaminate themselves with human contact.
It's not wrong to mix with humans.
We mix with them, we become like them, we become weak. You brought that weakness into my pack, and you will pay for it.
You're breaking the rules too! This is our territory, and Rhydian's one of our pack. And you need to leave. Now.
Brave words for a tame wolf.
Look at yourselves. Your eyes, your veins. Look at all the evidence.
Alric!
There are humans everywhere. What if they see this?
What's the #1 rule? Don't let humans find out.
That is what I will do!
That won't work. One click of a button and I'll send them halfway around the world. Or I can make the evidence disappear. If you leave and you never come back.
You have to do as the cub says.
I told you we should have never entered human territory! Be quiet, you mewling cowards. Even a tame Wolfblood knows keeping the secret is the most
The most important thing to me is my pack, my friends. And if it means saving Rhydian, I'll tell the entire world.
Forget this, cub. Your responsibility is to your pack.
If you won't do the right thing, you're no lead at all! Enough! We will leave.
And don't come back.
You want Rhydian? You keep him. But your pack and my pack, we are enemies now.
Hey! Give me back my clothes!
Maddy! Yana?
Get off! She nicked me clothes!
Didn't mean any harm.
How would you know? Who is she?
Yana. Ulrich's daughter.